So backbends. Yeah. So you need to lift first to the vertical. Yeah. So like from your knees all the way up to your body part can reach high above you to the vertical axis. Yeah. Pull in, flatten. All right. And then this alone is no easy task. Yeah, because kneeling back bends, Ustrasana, you don't have the hands to push. Your knees are not capable of pushing as much as your hands and your other body parts. So in here, you have to trust your inner awareness of the core of the breath and lifting you up. I'm also not a proponent of pushing the hips forward, because if you push the hips forward, the upper back shall contract, because that's the nature of our spine. Once the spine senses, once the brain senses that it is absorbing too much weight there, the spine will bounce forward. Yeah. So for the spine to remain open through the duration of the back bend, you need to rise to the vertical first. Yeah, hug in, pull in, reach up. And then once there's nothing left there, you've reached your maximum length, lengthening up vertically or extending vertically, the spine will naturally hang and suspend. See the difference? And in here, the chest is open. No strain, no heaviness, no tightness, no blockages, no obstacle. As opposed to the chest, see the difference. Limping, dropping. Rising, lengthening, suspending.